everyone. This is Bernie, your Revit blaster here at Printastat Incorporated, bringing you the TNT for Revit users. This video I want to call Working with Print Sets. It's a very handy tool. I noticed over here now in Project Browser, they have all these little filters. You can see all the sheets or all the views, sheets and views. It goes down to families and groups and Revit links. But they also give you Revit links if you just want to see them, just want to see groups, and then families and sheets. I like sheets. Gets me right to the thick of it. There's my highlighted one. That's the one that's open. It's the cover. Now, you have in your plot dialog box an opportunity to set things up ahead of time. This is set to all sheets. I'm going to show you how that works. I'm actually going to delete that print setup. I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to start a new one. I'll create it again just to show you how to create it. Create a new empty set. I'll call it Arch. All sheets. Okay. Now, Revit gives you all the sheets and all the views unchecked. But here's another filter. I don't want to see the 2D views and I don't want to see the 3D views. I just want to see the sheets. So here we are. I'm going to select all the architectural sheets. All the way down to the last one, hit the Shift button, select them all. I'm going to also pick the cover sheet. But now I don't want the cover sheet to go after A904. Pardon me. So I'm going to edit the print order. Handy little tool, right? Scroll down and see the cover sheets at the bottom. I come up here to manual order so I can change it manually. Click on this and drag it all the way up, and then I can place it right above number 1, and number 1 becomes cover sheet. And now I can save that. I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to save the current set because I changed something in it. Now that set is saved. Hit OK. It comes back to the print dialog box, and there it is. What Revit did also is create a schematic design set. That's pretty cool that they did that for you ahead of time. Hit OK. It always shows up here. What are you printing? Print range. What are you printing? Current window, visible portion of the current window, or selected views and sheets? This is nice that whenever you do a submission, you can label that as submission and the date. And you'll have all the sheets that you submitted for that submission. You ever want to go back and see, well, what did we do there? You'll have it. I want to go over one other thing with you, this setup button. Pardon me. In here, I created a D size. And that's just picking this and doing save as and naming it and picking the D size, 24 by 36, the E1 size, 30 by 42. And once I have those set also, I can pick those for any set I want to print. Very cool. You could also in here say E1 fit the page. And you could change this to fit the page so that no matter what size sheet you're looking at or what size view you're looking at, it'll print in that page. So there's all kinds of things in here to play around with, to learn, and to use to your advantage. I hope this helps you in what you're doing. Any comments or questions, please contact us at Printastat Incorporated, printastat.com. Have a great day, everybody.